Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Dude YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the Realme Narzo 60x 5G. This smartphone is making waves in the market, and we're here to give you a comprehensive overview. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. The Realme Narzo 60x 5G offers a compelling package with some remarkable features, and we'll break it down for you step by step. Let's begin with the design. The stunning stellar green color is available in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Its slim profile and sleek build make it comfortable to hold and carry. The Realme Narzo 60X boasts a 6.72 inches high-resolution display with a 90Hz ultra-high refresh rate. This provides smoother animations and a more responsive touch experience. With a 91.4% screen-to-body ratio and a punch-hole display, you get a truly immersive visual experience. The screen brightness goes up to 680 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Now, let's discuss performance. This phone runs on Android 13.0 and supports 5G connectivity, ensuring faster data speeds. It's powered by up to 12GB of dynamic RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos or playing graphics-intensive games, this phone can handle it with ease. Under the hood, the Realme Narzo 60x 5G is powered by a capable processor. It features a robust chipset that ensures smooth and efficient performance. While the exact chipset may vary depending on the variant you choose, it typically comes equipped with a mid-range processor that strikes a balance between power and efficiency. This processor handles daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking with ease. One of the standout features of the Realme Narzo 60X is its 50MP AI primary camera. With this camera, you can capture stunning photos with incredible detail and clarity. It's perfect for street photography and capturing memorable moments. The camera's capabilities make it a strong contender in its price range. Let's now talk about battery life. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, you can use this phone all day without worrying about running out of power. What's more impressive is the 33W-SUPERVOOC charge. In just 30 minutes, you can charge up to 50% of your battery, and a full charge takes just 70 minutes. That's incredibly fast and convenient. A unique feature of this phone is the side fingerprint sensor. It's placed for comfortable unlocking, especially when the phone is lying face up on a desk. It's a small touch that adds to the convenience of using the phone. Now, let's highlight some pros of the Realme Narzo 60X. Fast 5G connectivity for high-speed internet. Impressive 50MP AI primary camera for excellent photography. A large 5000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage. The 90Hz display provides a smooth and immersive visual experience. Side fingerprint sensor placement for convenience. Competitive pricing, especially with current discounts and offers. No product is perfect, so let's discuss some potential drawbacks. The phone might feel a bit bulky for some users due to its large battery. The design is a matter of personal preference. Not everyone may like the stellar green color. While the camera is good, it may not outperform flagship devices in photography. In conclusion, the Realme Narzo 60x 5G is a feature-packed smartphone that offers great value for your money. Its combination of a high-resolution display, powerful camera, fast charging, and 5G support makes it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. If you're looking for a phone that combines performance and affordability, this could be your pick. That concludes our in-depth look at the Realme Narzo 60x 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.